Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guava sorbet. Start by selecting ripe guavas and rinsing them, then remove stems and seeds where possible. Blend fruit into about 2 cups of puree, taste for sweetness, and adjust with 3/4 cup sugar or honey. Chill the mix briefly before churning and freeze until firm. I'll walk you through timing, texture tips, and easy variations to try at home. Warm up your guavas slightly to release fragrance, then chop and blend into a smooth puree. If you prefer a silky sorbet, push the puree through a fine mesh to remove seeds. If you like texture, skip that step. Sweeten with 3/4 cup sugar or equivalent honey and add a tablespoon of lime juice to brighten flavors. Chill the base well before churning to ensure a clean, scoopable sorbet consistency. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is fully frozen before churning, or the sorbet won't set properly. Pour the well-chilled guava base into the machine and churn until it looks like soft serve, usually 20 to 30 minutes. Spoon into a shallow, airtight container and press a piece of plastic on the surface to prevent ice crystals. Freeze for 2 to 4 hours, then scoop and serve with a lime wedge or fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.